14, as you heard being pointed out, my daughter against the rest of the audience. And we're going to see who can count the loudest. I'll give you a clue. The first ring is number 1. So are you ready? So here we go. Ring the bell. I was going to say somebody in your team let you down, Isabel Jones. Oh, and Jude Jones coming too now, nephew. But the audience let themselves down, Vicky. They didn't really join in, did they? So we need to be a lot louder. So here we go, Norman, ring the bell. And they would still survive because of how sensitive these whiskers actually are. That's Vicky. Think of the whiskers to help you in the sea lion. So we need to play another game that gets him using his whiskers. And it's going to be his favourite game, and it's going to be a game of basketball. Now this game comes with a little bit of a warning. Callum, if he wants, can't get the ball over the glass. This did happen in one of our earlier shows. This is a real life basketball. If this comes flying over towards you, please protect yourself. Do not do what one lady did the other day and use her infant child to protect herself. We will judge you and we do discuss it on our lunches. The ball is going to go into the water. Mark how Callum uses these whiskers if you've got brilliant eyesight. He pushes the man to his side. And this is making sure that they are nice and thick and strong. Now at the very same time, it means that Callum is having lots of exercise as well. And it is actually just Callum's favourite game to play. He absolutely loves this. So we're going to look like we're having a little game of football. I don't know if that's too soon to bring that up. But Vicky's Scottish, it doesn't matter anyway. So let's see if the football can come on already. You're looking forward to, but we don't want to end there, Vicky. So you can do whatever you like, you just need to tell the audience. Oh, I'm excited, Vicky. This sounds like a